In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly I went about installing the Blue Shift mod for Black Mesa. For me, this was a pain in the dick. I struggled my ass off trying to install this fucking thing, but I did figure out a way to make it work. So I'm just going to get right into it. First off, go to your Black Mesa page, go to Workshop. You're going to want to type in Blue Shift. It'll be the first option here, click that. Then next, you're going to want to hit subscribe. After you hit subscribe, go to your downloads on the bottom. It'll download right here on the top of your screen. Once that's finished, go back to your game library, right click on Black Mesa, go to manage, and then hit browse local files. I'm not going to do that because I have the windows ready to go right here, and I'm going to pull them up. And this is what it's going to look like for your Black Mesa folder when you hit manage game files. You're not going to have these 5 files right here. You'll have everything from bin to BMS. You are not going to have these 5 right here. What you're going to want to do is go, and I'm going to show you in a new window, you're going to want to go to your Steam apps, go to Workshop, Content, this number right here, 362890, and then this long fucking number starting with 242. You'll click that, you'll notice this folder is empty. That is because I dragged and dropped these 5 folders right here from here into my game files for Black Mesa. Just these 5. Once you download the mod, it is going to have maybe 6 or 7 files. Just put in these 5. Just literally click, just drag all 5 over from here, and that's it. That's all you should have to do. Then you can double click on B Shift and it should open the game. I know in a couple other videos it said to run all these funky ass fucking parameters to install viruses and shit. I don't know. It didn't work. It didn't run. It would either say error or it would just load Black Mesa, the regular game. Now I'm going to show you right here. I'm going to go to my properties. I have no launch options for the game. I didn't put in any parameters. That's all I did. All I did was make sure where these 5 files were ready to go in my Black Mesa folder. That is all you have to do. And that is literally it. It works. I played through it. I played through all 3 chapters that were available, and the game is fucking awesome. Can't wait till it's completed. But anyway, I hope that this helped everyone here who was struggling to install it, because I know it was a fucking bitch for me. It took me like an hour and a half to finally figure it out, but I eventually did get it working, so hopefully this helps everyone else out that's struggling with it. That's about it. Take it easy.